And the next one that I'm going to unbox for you is IZHAR ka Hania. Hania is in this beautiful fuchsia pink tones. I'm loving this color. These pinks are the color of this year for sure. ये आप देख सकते हो clearly. This has got all heavy handwork on it. Resham, Nakshi, Dabka, everything is all there. ये cut dana check करो. This is amazingly in intricate details. Wow, this is so pretty and very nice and modern fusion. This is for the back. ये आप देख सकते हो sequins, pearls all over it. It's all handworked on too. And the next part is हमारी yoke का fabric है. ये पूरा sequin और रेशम का web है इसमें throughout. So it's giving a very glitzy, very glamorous vibe to the entire outfit, I'm sure. ये आप देख सकते हो, this is the border for the घेरा. It's all got sequins, resham, all over it, pearls. So it's all handworked on and very prettily sorted. ये हैं जी हमारे tassels, customized tassels, which is a specialty with हमारे ये MUSHQ के. Each collection has these. Check it out, the dori, the pearls and cut dana, kind of a finishing to it. ये है जी हमारे sleeves का motif. You have to simply get it appliqued on it. It's got sequins and resham as well. And of course, this is the sleeves का fabric, जिसके ऊपर ही होगा. Check out the design, the pretty intricate design on it too. And the border for the sleeves. Moving on to the main part is the outfit का पूरा आपके घेरे के लिए आ गया आपका fabric. This is all sorted beautifully for you. Check it out. ये इसका border है. This is all sequin and resham throughout, through and through. This is the beautiful net ka dupatta, heavily done for any shadi season to be complimented for. ये है जी हमारे दुपट्टे के पल्लू का बॉर्डर. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा है तो आप आराम से इसकी आप प्लेसमेंट कर सकते हो. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ट्राउजर एंड अंडरशर्ट फैब्रिक. आई एम श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू लव वेयरिंग हानिया.